How does Medicare cover a CPAP machine? A continuous pressurized, I don't know, you know the word. You know what it does. It's the thing that goes on your face so you don't die in your sleep because you're not breathing. CPAP is very common. I personally did a sleep study to see if I had it. So I didn't think I did, but I know a lot of people that do. So what the heck, I might as well do it. Did it. They put a microphone on your ear and you wear it all night. And it turns out I did have mild sleep apnea, which is really not good for you. It's not good for your teeth. It's not good for your heart. It's a lot of stuff. So I got a mouth guard to keep my airway unobstructed. So after researching it, because this is my line of work, I'm way anti-CPAP machine and way pro mouth guard. As you can guess, mouth guard's going to be more expensive. So let's talk about CPAP, a lot more affordable. Under Medicare, if you have just original Medicare, A and B, what you get from the government, you will pay 20% for the cost of your CPAP machine. They'll let you rent it for 3-month trial. And then assuming you meet your doctor's appointments and you meet their criteria that you still need it, then you will rent it for 13 months, meaning you pay 20% of the cost. You would already meet your Part B deductible. If you haven't met that, you'd have to meet that. Then you'd pay 20% of the cost for the rental and for the tubing and the mask stuff. After 13 months, then it's yours. It's yours. You just got to keep updating your tubing. So the CPAP machine, if you have a Medicare Advantage plan, every Medicare Advantage plan is different, but typically there is no deductible, so you wouldn't have your Part B deductible. Typically, you would just have a copay for durable medical equipment. Most Medicare Advantage plans generally charge you about 20% copay for those, but they do vary based on the plan you choose, the year you buy it, and where you live. But very common device. And yes, Medicare does pay for the majority of the cost. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.